Welcome to Logo Adder. Logo Adder is a simple application built to add logos to batches of images in a short period of time, where our clients weren't well versed in technology and needed a way to put logos in their social media posts. So I built an application that is fairly simple to use, and as I can show this to you. You have settings. You can have image settings and logo settings. Inside logo settings, you get to choose a logo. I've preset it to a Minecraft diamond axe for now. You just have to set the position of where do you want it to be. So this one should be at the top right. So let's say I've clicked over here, and over here I can set the images to have a certain resolution, so that they're all enforced to have the same size. So I'm just going to take a dummy image, I drag and drop the image over here, and adds the logo to where it's supposed to be in. But that's not the selling point about this application. I have 193 images that need logos to be added simultaneously. Well, I would not want to wait and have someone do them one by one. Instead, my application supports adding images. Instead, my application supports adding logos to the batches of images in one command or in one go. To show you that, I have, as you can see, 193 images over here, and I'm going to put them inside this one folder called images with logo, and it's empty right now. So all I have to do is select the directory, or what I can do here is drag and drop the entire directory of the images over here. I found out that there's 193 images inside the application. And now I'm just going to take this aside, and I'm going to click on convert to add logos to all of those images. And I need to specify the location where the images are supposed to go to. So I'm just going to put in this subdirectory, which is currently empty. Right. Now it's just running a multi-threaded architecture behind it. So it's adding all the image. So it's running a multi-threaded architecture, and it's adding logos to all of the images, and it's letting you know at what percentage it's currently at. Now that the conversion has been completed, I can just open the subdirectory, and then all those images, I'm going to choose at random, just going to set this in. You can see that there will be a logo that has been added to all of them. So the entire directory of images now has logo that has been added onto them with one operation. So that's the power that my application holds, and that's what my project was about, helping a client that's not well versed in coming up with a solution that would be easy for them and their business to use this application.